Hey everybody, this is Stacy from our Unscripted Reviews, and I'm going to talk about the coffee-ish drink that I make in the mornings. Before we started this, we knew I was going to have a problem getting in my fats every day, even though it doesn't really look like it. But again, that was the carbs. This is all the carbs. It's not necessarily the fats. Thank you for watching our Unscripted Reviews. Feel free to like and subscribe. I am not a fan of coffee, so I found a recipe on a blog called Forget Sugar Friday, and it's called Keto Crack Coffee. We'll put a link to the recipe for this below if you want to follow it as the recipe goes. I did make some changes to it just so I could get some more fats in. I'm not a fan of coffee. Never was, so I am using a light roast. We don't have the box anymore, but it's Starbucks Veranda Blend. So I put this in. I put it in the Keurig. I put it in for 6 ounces, and then I have this random assortment of things that I add to it to make it taste less coffee-like. I used to drink Coke, like a whole 20-ounce bottle, drink that in the morning. Sometimes I would drink blueberry or cranberry Red Bull. I was doing oatmeal with, what was it? It was Quaker. It was a cup. So it had a lot of processed stuff in it. It was apples and walnuts and cranberries. It was really, really good, but it also was really, really carby. I don't put it in a coffee cup because I add ice to it and kind of make a sort of like a smoothie with it. In the original recipe, they say to chill the coffee. Usually what I'll do is throw it in the refrigerator while I'm getting all my stuff ready, although I have it out here already. So we'll just go ahead and put the ice in. You can let that sit. I put in 3 to 4 tablespoons of vanilla, depending on how I feel. We'll just do 3 today. I'm sorry, not tablespoons, teaspoons. Teaspoons, not tablespoons. And then I have the MCT oil, which is a big part of getting the fat in there for me. They say that you should start slow with this because it can cause some fun digestive issues. I started out with 1 teaspoon, found out that wasn't really causing me any problems, so I moved on to 2. That didn't cause me any problems, and I've moved on to 3, which is actually a tablespoon. Why I'm using the teaspoon, I don't know. But that's actually a tablespoon and is the serving size of this particular MCT oil. We have a new sweetener. I was using stevia. That's what the recipe calls for. This is called Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, and it has vanilla in it. No calories, no carbs, no nothing. It's just basically a sweetener. And I'll just usually kind of guesstimate at this point. And then the almond milk, I put in the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And I put in a cup of that. And I did have enough. There's a little bit extra. We'll just dump that in. We just use heavy whipping cream. I think this might be from Walmart. I don't know. We buy it anywhere that it's on sale that we can get it because we use quite a bit of this. But I've been doing 4 tablespoons of this just to also help get the fat in. I haven't acquired the taste of coffee yet. Put that in there, and then I put the lid on this. And then we have a Ninja. Go ahead and blend it up. It doesn't take that long to really just wait. It's usually good after like 10-15 seconds. And there we go. Iced, somewhat coffee. Thanks for watching. Stay random.